Welcome back. West Indies captain Jason Holder says the players will be striving for consistency when the third test gets going against favourites England at Lord's on Thursday.
The Caribbean side, which is coming off their first away win in England in 17 years, are now chasing their first test series win outside of the Caribbean against a team other than Zimbabwe and Bangladesh since 1995.
Our heads were a bit down, after how we got defeated in the first test match, but to pick ourselves back up and come back, how we responded to Henley was remarkable. So it's obviously given us some new life. We've got a chance to win this series here, so we're going out in this last test match to win it. Some people it inspires, and urges them on. Some people just ignore it. I can't sit here and say what it's done for this side collectively, because some people listen to it, some people don't. But we just focus on our process. We want to be a lot more consistent when we bowl, and in terms of building innings, as a team and getting some big partnerships going as a batting unit.
Holder's counterpart, Joe Root, wants his side to focus on beating the West Indies to build momentum for the winter tour of Australia.
You want good results in behind you going into a big series like that, but more importantly, we want to make sure that we play well this week and win this series. Of course, you want to be looking at stuff down the line, but our main focus is having a good week and performing well.
Root, who confirmed that all-rounder Chris Wokes has been replaced by pace bowler Toby Rowland-Jones, wants all players to deliver their best in all situations.
No, I think the main focus is everyone having a clear goal on how we want to approach this week, and making sure that when you get your opportunity to affect the game, you go out and do that, and you take your chances, and whether it be senior guys, guys that are new to Test cricket, you go out there and you do a good job for your country.
While not hinting at any changes to the Windies team, skipper Holder reacted to the bowling change by England.
I guess it's a bit of a surprise, we won't see coming back in for one game but being replaced in this last test match. But to be fair, Toby Rowland-Jones hasn't done much wrong, for England, so it's just still be a good test for us. They're two quality bowlers, we expect a good challenge.
Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.